First, go to analytics.google.com, and there you set up your account, your Google Analytics account. If you don't have an account already, if you have an account already, you won't need to go through this part of the process. So create an account, name it whatever you like. Then here, be sure to pick your time zone and then your currency. Don't just go with a time zone that does not belong to you. Then pick your employees, your number of employees of your business, and where your business is, whatever segment. Or what you need it for is baseline reports, right? On Kitcart. So leave it at baseline reports. Here also be sure to pick your country. Choose web. So you're using it on the website. Enter your website. Here I'm using jollofrights.com. So you can use whatever your domain name is. Be sure that it is your domain name though. So we want to retrieve the measurement ID. Let's go to Kitcart so that I can see. Let's find the Google Analytics plugin. Okay. You go to plugins. Search Google Analytics. You can find. Then under settings, you need to add the measuring. Okay. All we need is the measuring ID first. Measurement ID. So you will see it. Just select it and copy it. Then go to the measurement ID. Then now we need the property ID, we noticed. So you click on this cog. And then go to property settings. You will see your property ID. You can copy it from there. Just click on the copy icon. You are good to go at this point. But you also need to display your data from Google. Because if you leave it at this point, we get your data at Google, but you won't get it on your dashboard. But if you want to see the data on your dashboard, this is where you need to proceed and get your credentials.json file so that you can upload it, so that we have access to retrieve your data from Google. To retrieve that, you will have to go to your Google search and search for Google Console, Google Cloud Console. Then on the Google Cloud Console dashboard, just get started. Just agree. Be sure to pick your country again. Don't pick some random country. Then click on new project. Once you click that, name it. Give me the name of your website so that you'll be able to use it to track that. Then after creating it, select the project. Once you select the project, you can now go to the APIs and services so that we can enable the Google Analytics API on this project. Enable APIs and services. Go down. You will find the Google Analytics API down. Under others, Google Analytics API, you can see it. Click on enable. So once you enable it, we are good to go. All we need now is create a service account. Now here you find create credentials. Leave it as Google Analytics API. Then user data. Done. Go to credentials. What we need is a service account. So you have to go to credentials and APIs and services. Then go to service accounts. Click on manage service accounts. Create service account. You can give it whatever name you like, but I will give it Kitcart so that I know that I'm using this service account only for on kitcart.net. You can describe it as service account for Kitcart. Then create and continue. Skip the rest. Just click continue. Then done. Now click through that Kitcart at jollof rights. Yeah. Once you click through that, you will see keys. Beside permissions and metrics, you see keys. Then when you select keys, currently you don't have any key, so you add key, create new key. Since Kitcart wants the JSON file, you click the JSON, create. So it will be downloaded to your website automatically. You can see it's downloaded already. So you can proceed from here, choose your file, the file you just downloaded, and save it. Just like that. Now, this part is very important. Most people miss out on this part. You go to the property access management or your Google Analytics, and then you add the email. You add the email that was given to you from the Google console. You can go to the Google console to check that. Then just click on details. Then you will find it on that email. This is the email address created for your Google account. Then copy it and then come back to analytics and paste. Now leave the settings the way it is. You only need the viewer, then add it. And just like that, you are good to go.